Hi everyone, it's Civil Engineering Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you sectional elevation of building with staircase in AutoCAD. So this is the ground floor plan. This is the ground floor front elevation. This is the first floor plan. This is the multi-story front elevation. And this is the multi-story sectional elevation, and this is section on AB. Now I'll create section on XY, that is staircase sectional elevation. To watch all the videos on this channel, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get regular updates from civil engineering tutorials. Also like this video in case you find it helpful. So let's get start our video. So this is the multi-story sectional elevation. This is section on AB. Now I'll create section on XY. This is staircase sectional elevation. Sectional on XY. So now I have rotated this plan. This is section on XY. Staircase sectional elevation. So now take line command, L enter. Now specify first point here and second point here. Consider this line as ground level. GL. Now I'll copy this text. If you want to create new text, you can create new one. Now ground level to plinth level height. Here I am taking 2 feet and 6 inch. So give offset distance 2 feet and 6 inch. Now select this line and click on upward direction. So ground level to plinth level distance is 2 feet and 6 inch. This is plinth level. This is ground level and this is plinth level. PL. Ground level to plinth level height is 2 feet and 6 inch. Now come to the plan. So here on plan, direction of arrows are in upward direction. You can see here direction of arrows are in upward direction. That means you can see only this part of the building and assume this part already removed. Only you can see this part of the building and assume this part is already removed. Okay. So take Excel. Excel means construction line. Now we need vertical line. So for vertical, take V enter. Now click here. This is the pillar. We can see thickness of pillar here. On section we can see the thickness. Now as there is no wall, we can see the thickness. Now click on this wall. Here we can see only this side of wall. As section line is not going through this wall, so we can see only this line of the wall, this side of the wall. Next we can see this column. Now we can see this wall. We can see thickness of this wall because section line is going through this wall. So we can see this column. Now we can see this side of the wall. This wall also section line is not going through this wall. So we can see this side of the wall only. Okay. So now I'll create roof slab first. So roof slab is 10 feet and 6 inches from plinth level. So give offset distance 10 feet and 6 inch. Select plinth level line. Plinth level to roof slab 10 feet and 6 inch. So select and click here. Now roof slab thickness is 4 inch. So again offset, give offset distance 4 inch. Select roof slab and click on upward direction. So roof slab thickness is 4 inch and plinth level to roof slab is 10 feet and 6 inch. Again offset, give offset distance 6 inch. This is roof slab projection. Click to this side and click to this side. Now trim all the extra lines. See, I am showing everything very slowly so that it will be easy to understand. So trim all the extra lines. Now again trim. Select this line and trim all these extra lines. Okay. Now trim all these lines. Select this line and trim all these extra lines. Alright. So this is the pillar, then wall, then pillar, then again wall, and last one wall. Okay. Now I'll create lintel slab. That is 7 feet from plinth level. So give offset distance 7 feet. Select the plinth level and click on upward direction. Now lintel slab thickness is 3 inch. Offset 3 inch. Select this line and click on upward direction. Okay. Now we can see this ventilator here. Okay. And the wall, this window. So take Excel, now vertical, this ventilator, this window with charger we can see. Okay. So this ventilator is 2 feet length into 1 feet height, 2 feet into 1 feet. So take rectangle, REC, enter, specify first point here, right click, go to dimensions, 2 feet, enter, height 1 feet, enter. So this is the ventilator. Now delete these two lines. Now give offset distance 2 inch, select, click to inside. So this is the ventilator. Now I'll create this window with this charger. So this is W1. So let's check the W1 size. W1 is 4 feet length into 4 feet 6 inch height. So take rectangle, REC, enter, specify first point here, right click, go to dimensions, specify 4 feet, enter. Now specify the height 4 feet and 6 inch, enter. So this is the window is created. Now delete these two lines. Now give offset distance 3 inch, select and click to inside. Now draw a line on midpoint. Now give offset of 1 inch to each side. So give offset distance 1 inch, select, click to this side, select, click to this side. Now delete the middle line. Now this is the window is created. Now I'll create the charger. So give offset again, give offset distance 1 feet, select this line and click here. Now take a rectangle. This is the charger. Okay, you can see this is the charger projection. Now take a rectangle, specify first point here and second point here. Click here. Now delete this line, also delete these two lines. Now trim extra lines here. Trim, select this and trim all the extra lines. So window with charger also created. Now I'll take projection of this charger and the balcony. We can see the parapet wall of this utility area or this balcony. We can see the parapet wall. This side balcony parapet wall we can see. So take Excel, we can see this charger and this parapet wall of this balcony. This is the cantilever balcony. We can see the parapet wall and this is the charger we can see. So trim first. I'll create this charger. Select. Now trim this and trim this side. Now I need to extend the roof slab towards this. I need to extend this roof slab towards this. So extend. We can see the parapet wall of the balcony. So extend this roof slab. Select this line. Now extend. Now you can see here, we can see the parapet wall of this balcony. This is the cantilever balcony. This is the utility area. Okay. Now give offset distance 6 inch. Select, click to this side. This is the roof slab projection. Now again extend. Now trim all the extra lines. I am showing step by step and very slowly so that it will be easy to understand. So you can see here, this is the extended portion of roof slab. Okay, now I'll create the parapet wall here. Here we can see the parapet wall. Okay. This side also we can see the parapet wall. This side parapet wall we can see also. So take Excel, we take projection line of this balcony parapet wall. Now give offset distance 2 feet and 6 inches. Select this line and click on upward direction. Now extend. Give offset of 3 inch. Extend this line. Select this line and extend this line. And this side extend this line. This is the wall line. We need to extend the wall line both sides. Both sides we can see the parapet wall of the balcony here and here. Okay. Now give offset distance 3 inch. Select, click to this side, select, click to this side. Now trim all the extra lines. If you want to use fillet command here, you can use, or if you want to use trim command, you can use. You can also use fillet command also. That's completely your choice. Now trim all the extra lines. Trim this. Trim this. Okay, you can see only this much parapet wall we can see. This is the balcony parapet wall. Trim this also. Delete this line. Delete this line. Trim here and delete this line. Now you can see this is the parapet wall of balcony, cantilever balcony. Okay. Hope you understand. Now trim here. So this is the parapet wall of this side balcony, and this is the parapet wall of this side balcony. Okay. This is the parapet wall of another side balcony. Okay. Delete this. Give offset. Give offset distance 6 inch. Select, click to this side. Okay, extend. Now trim this line. Okay, this is the roof slab projection. This balcony parapet wall you can see. Okay, this is the projection, roof slab projection, and this side parapet wall. Hope you understand. So now we need to trim this. Trim this. We can see only this side charger. This column. This column. This wall. And this side wall. This window ventilator and this side wall. Okay, this parapet wall and this side balcony is parapet wall. Okay, so this is the ground floor sectional elevation. Now I'll create the staircase. Now I'll hatch this parapet wall. I'll do box hatch. Make the scale 25 at pick point. Click inside. Enter. Again click inside. Enter. So this is the now I'll create the staircase. Here to here, staircase sectional elevation I'll create. Now take Excel. Click here and click here. Now I'll extend. Select, I'll change the color of these two lines. Now I'll extend all the lines. These are the threads. Okay, these are the threads 9 inch. So I'll extend all the threads. Select this line and extend all these lines. Okay. Now take polyline. From this point I'll create. This is 6 inch. Then this is 9 inch. Rise is 6 inch. Thread is 9 inch. Now this is 6 inch. 9 inch. Again this is 6 inch. 9 inch. Now this is rise is 6 inch and thread is 9 inch. Now how to calculate number of rise and thread? I have already provided a video. 9 inch, 6 inch, 9 inch, 6 inch. See, I am showing very slowly. Rise is 6 inch. Desired unit rise, that is 6 inch, and thread is 9 inch. Now how to calculate number of rise and number of threads? I have already provided a video whose link is given on the description box. Landing is 2 feet and 6 inch. 6 inch. Okay. Now you can see here we have created the staircase with rise and thread. Now trim all the extra lines. Trim all these lines from here. Trim all. Okay. See, we have created this. Now I'll mirror this. Select, mirror. This is the midpoint. Mirror to another side. Enter. Okay. Now draw a line on midpoint. Trim. Draw line this point to this point. Now give offset distance 4 inch. Select, click to this side, select, click to this side. Now delete this line. Now draw a line here. This is 6 inch. Now this is 7 inch and this is 6 inch again. Okay. Now fillet here to here this line. Again I'll fillet this line. Okay. This is done. Now trim this middle line. Also trim this line. Okay. So now delete this line and delete this line. Trim this line also. Okay. Extend this wall and trim this. Okay. So this is done. I'm sewing very slowly. Delete this line. Okay. Now here we can see section till here, from here to this column 2. Okay. Here we can see the section and this side we can see only front elevation. Okay. Our section line is not going through all this wall, so we can see here only front elevation, section line going through only here to here. So we can see only cutting portion of this much and we can see here this much front elevation. Okay. Our section line not cutting any structure here. So Excel V, this is the column and this is the, see, this much section line going through, and next we'll see the front elevation. Okay. Now this is section, this is the roof beam, we can see here. Okay, we can see here roof beam. So trim this. Only these two walls roof beam we can see. Delete this. Delete this. A section line going through these two walls. Section line cutting these two walls. We can see only these two walls roof beam. Okay. Draw a line here. Give offset 4 inch. Select. Click to this side. Delete this line. Now I'll do fillet. Extend this line and fillet here to here. Now trim this line. Okay. Now this is the roof beam. We can see only these two walls. Now we can see lintel beam also on lintel level. Lintel beam. Here as there is no wall, so we can see lintel beam only on this wall. Okay. Here there is no wall, so we can see only on this wall lintel beam. Only on this wall. Okay. Section is going through this wall and section is not going through any other walls. So we can see lintel beam on this wall only. So extend this, the charger, this is the lintel level. So lintel beam is 6 inch. So give offset distance 6 inch. Select this line. Click. Now trim. Select this line. Trim this. Delete this line. So this is the lintel beam. And these are the roof beam. Okay. lintel beam, and these are the roof beams. You can see here to here, this is 7 feet lintel level. Now here we can see foundation on only this wall. Okay, our section line cutting this wall only, so we can see foundation only on this wall. So this is the foundation which I have already created. So copy this. This is the base point and paste here. This is the foundation. We can see the foundation of this wall only. Here there is no wall, here also there is no wall, and section line not going here on any structure. Section line not cutting all these walls, so we can see foundation of this wall only. You can see footing of only this wall. Here we can all this side we can see only the front elevation, and till this we can see the section elevation. Okay, this side so offset to this. Now extend. This is the plinth projection. We can see the plinth projection here, both sides. Now I'll break this. You can see plinth projection here. Okay, here too section going through here to here. So till this is the section elevation, and this side is front elevation. You can see here till here this is section elevation, and this side is front elevation. Okay, our section line not cutting any structure there. Okay, now give offset of 1 inch. This is the marble flooring. Again give offset of 4 inch. Trim here to here. Okay, again give offset of 4 inch. This is 1 inch thick marble flooring over 4 inch thick plain cement concrete, and its ratio is 1:4:8. 1 inch thick marble flooring. This is the marble flooring with 4 inch thick over 4 inch thick plain cement concrete, and its ratio is 1:4:8. Okay, so I'll hatch this. I'll use I'll do wall hatch. You can see this wall. Click here, click here. We can see only brick wall of this. Rest are column and walls. Now concrete hatch. Okay, scale 1 at pick point, click inside. Now click here, enter. Now again click here, enter. Now again only here to here. This side we can see the front elevation. Okay, so only this wall we can see the cutting portion, this wall. So I'll extend this, draw line here. Now hatch this. Now delete the line. Okay, now here to here, here to here we can't see the cutting portion. Our section line not cutting any structure here. So delete this line also. Here we can see the front elevation only. Okay. This side only we can see the front elevation. You can see from section. This is the plinth level. Break this and break this. Delete this line and delete this line. Move the ground level text. Alright. See, this is the front elevation this side and this is the section elevation. Okay. Now extend this. Now I'll hatch this. Hatch. Complete hatch. This side. So this is 1 inch thick marble flooring over 4 inch thick PCC and its ratio is 1:4:8. HPCC is plain cement concrete. So this is the ground floor sectional elevation with staircase. Okay. So I have created the staircase and staircase railing. I will provide another video. So I will hatch this also. So this is building height is 10 feet and 6 inch. Now lintel height is 7 feet. This window is window height 4 feet and 6 inch. Length of the window is 4 feet. This ventilator 2 feet length and 1 feet height. Height is 1 feet, length is 2 feet. So we need to mark all the dimensions. So in sectional elevation you need to mark all the dimensions. It's very important. So this is 9 inch tread and rise is 6 inch. This is 2 feet and 6 inch landing. Now I need to mark this. Here to here this is 2 feet and 6 inch landing. So we have created this is the ground floor sectional elevation with staircase. I'll copy this text I have already created. If you want to create again you can, but I don't want to waste my time by creating all this text repeatedly. So this is 1 inch thick marble flooring over 4 inch thick PCC. PCC is plain cement concrete. Okay. This is the XY section and XY. Okay. Only this much section we can see. Our section line not going through that side structure, so we can see only front elevation on this side. Okay. So hope you understand. So this is 10 feet and 6 inch building height. So we have created this ground floor sectional elevation. Now I'll copy, select and copy. I need to create other floors. So select, copy. from this point perpendicular we need to mark. Now select copy. We have selected all. Now copy. This is the base point. Now paste here. Ground floor. This is first floor. Now second floor, third floor, ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor, and this is fourth floor. You can see we have created all the floors. Okay. Now this is XY section. You can see here we can see the complete parapet wall. So give offset distance 2 feet and 6 inch. Okay. And at last we can see the complete parapet wall. Now again offset. Here we can see the complete parapet wall now. So this is the section. You need to see the section line properly. Now join these two walls. Give offset of 3 inch now. First extend this wall and this wall already extended. Now give offset. Give offset distance 3 inch. Trim. First trim this line. Trim from this side. Trim here. Delete this line. Okay. Now give offset distance 3 inch. Select, click to this side, select, click to this side. So this is the parapet wall. Here, this is the parapet wall. This balcony parapet wall. This is the another balcony parapet wall, and this is extend. Offset 3 inch to this side. Now trim all the extra lines. Trim this. Delete this line. Okay. Now here, staircase headroom we can see here. So take vertical line from here to here. So give offset 8 feet from roof slab. Select this line and extend this. Now trim this line and trim this line. Okay. This is the projection line. Delete this. This is this side only we can see front elevation. Okay. So this is the staircase, headroom. So trim this. Here there won't be any roof slab. So give offset. Give offset to both sides. Now 4-inch roof slab thickness. Extend this. This is roof slab projection 6-inch and roof slab thickness is 4-inch. Now trim all the extra lines. Now again trim all these lines. So we have created this. This is the staircase headroom. I'll hatch this. And I'll do mass properties. So I need to hatch this parapet wall also. Hatch this. Now mass properties, select. I'll do mass properties. So you can see this is the sectional elevation with staircase. At last we can see the complete parapet wall. Okay. So this is 2 feet and 6 inch parapet wall over 4 inch thick RCC roof slab, and its ratio is 1:2:4. 2 feet and 6 inch height parapet wall over 4 inch thick RCC roof slab. If you want to copy this side, you can copy, but this is not required. So this is the sectional elevation with staircase. This is 8 feet. We need to extend this line. Select this, extend. Extend this and extend this. So this is the staircase sectional elevation with staircase. In my next video, I'll create staircase railing. This is sectional XY. Sectional XY. Here to here section, and this side we can see only front elevation. Okay, here to here only section we can see, and this side we can see only front elevation. So hope you like this video. And if you like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.